Today we have the Realme 6 Pro in the studio, and in this video we will be performing a dedicated drop test to know its drop impact resistance. We will be checking the water test, scratch resistance and build quality in the next video. The Realme 6 Pro has Corning glass on both the display side as well as the back with a plastic mid-frame. Corning claims that its tempered glass can survive 1.6 meter drops 80% of the time, and this has turned out to be true since drop testing the Poco X2, which had easily survived the hard drops. We will be drop testing the Realme 6 Pro from different angles, starting first from pocket height and then from a height of 1.6 meters. So let's find out the drop impact resistance of the Realme 6 Pro's glass design. Everything seems fine, no damage or shatter after the first bottom side drop from pocket height. Next, dropping the 6 Pro from the top side and then the side fingerprint and power button side. After 3 drops from pocket height, the Realme 6 Pro is doing great. Now for the next 2 drops from the quad camera side and then the display side. So far, the glass sandwich design has done a great job, and the Realme 6 Pro passes the devastating pocket height drops without a single scratch or shatter. Next, moving on to 1.6 meter height drops on hard marble flooring from the same angles. No damages yet to the Corning glass design after the first high drop. Now moving on to the next 2 drops from the top edge side and the fingerprint scanner side. Still no damage, cracks or shatter even after 3 high drops. The glass sandwich Realme 6 Pro seems to be performing as good as the Poco X2's glass design. Next up, the second last high drop, turning on video recording for the rear quad camera side drop. Seems like Corning's claim that there is only a 20% chance of breakage has come true. The back glass has shattered to quite an extent with a spiderweb design mainly towards the middle to bottom side of the glass. Anyways, moving on to the last drop and a moment of truth, the display side drop. The Realme 6 Pro actually survived the display side drop rather easily as compared to the quad camera side drop. Even though the back glass shattered massively, unlike the Poco X2, it cannot be called as a fail since it's more like a physical cosmetic damage which can be prevented to a large degree by using protection. But apart from that, the Realme 6 Pro works like normal with absolutely no internal damage to its functions or to its camera unit.